Patriot Awning Company. Patriot Awning Company.
I'm Devin with Patriot Awning Company. Today we are taking a look at the EconoDeck canopy system. The EconoDeck canopy system, similar to our AmeriDeck system, but the EconoDeck has roll form fascia. The fascia and the color options are available in several different colors. We've got black, white, bronze, silver, and other colors will be coming soon. The EconoDeck canopy system features scuppers for drainage. We have mill finish brackets at the top of the awning. And these canopies are pretty functional because you could do either hanger rods or posts for support. If you're doing posts for support, we can come out up to 25 feet with a beam and post somewhere in the middle of the canopy. These canopies are awesome because they're scalable indefinitely. We can make them 200 feet wide, 300 feet wide. Really, we can make them as wide as you want. The EconoDeck canopy system is similar to the AmeriDeck system, but it's less expensive. This American-made canopy system features roll form fascia, roll form decking, 1.5-inch hanger rods, and an integrated gutter system that drains the water through these little scuppers on the corners of the canopy. So if we could get you a quote today for your EconoDeck canopy, just check out our website. You could book us online and we can make your project functional and affordable. Thanks so much for watching the video. Have a great day.
Patriot Awning Company. Patriot Awning Company. American pride in every seam. Patriot. American pride in every seam. Patriot Awning Company.